Hello, in this video I'll show you how to reset a Service Now light on a VW Volkswagen. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. I have this Volkswagen Touran and that has a service light on. I'll show you just in a minute. As you can see here, Service Now. So I'll show you how to reset. First, we have to turn on the ignition. Here I show you which button do we need to press. These two buttons are the three buttons, and this one is the OK to select the option. Then hold down the trip button. Then we are going inside the setting menu. Then from the setting menu we can go down, all the way down to the service sub menu. Then click OK. Then reset and then OK again.